So let's begin to do the honeycomb stitch. This is the Tunisian honeycomb. So what we need to do is that we need to consist 2 rows in order to be opposite to each other in order to make it work. In a previous tutorial we already did the seed stitch, which is not the same thing because that was reverse stitch. Here we want to play with Tunisian what does it say? Tunisian simple stitch and Tunisian purl stitch. So you just have to completely do opposite to each other. So let's just say we want to do the first one out as a Tunisian simple stitch. That means that the next one must be a Tunisian purl. So if you remember how to do the purl, move the hook in front of the yarn and then going in to the next stitch and then just pull through. See how I just kind of pinch this just to, it makes it easier. So the next one is a Tunisian simple and then the next one is a Tunisian purl. So simple and purl. Simple and purl. Simple and purl. And then on the very end it's like normal. So just going into the outside, pulling it through 2, or sorry, pull it through 1 first and then pull through 2s all the way back. So in order to get the honeycomb look you have to do the other row completely opposite to what you just did. So last time we started off with the Tunisian simple stitch. So what we're going to do then is Tunisian purl right immediately. So we're gonna do purl into the first one, coming in, and then Tunisian simple. So purl and simple. Purl and simple and purl and simple. Sorry, that was a oh, did I do 2 purls in a row? I think I did. So that was that should be a simple and then a purl and then a simple. And then the last side is always the same. So pull through 1 only to return past, so 2s all the way back. So the next one here has to be opposite to what we just did. So we started off with purl last time, so this time we're gonna start off with simple and then purl. And this will create the look of honeycomb. So simple and purl. When I first learned this stitch a few years back I was like having to move the yarn all the time. Oops. I just love the purl so much I just want to do it all the time. No, not really, but that's okay. When I learned this one before I was being so harder on myself in the way that I was manipulating the yarn, and I was making it a lot more difficult than I had to. So you'll be able to see if it doesn't look right and then make sure you come to the end. So you're just gonna concentrate a little bit on this one and then pull through 1 and then 2s all the way back. And you will see the honeycombs. It's like a almost a hexagonal shape will take effect. It does it nice flat as well, and it's a really neat idea, and you can kind of see how it's working out there. Do you see it? So this is the Tunisian honeycomb stitch.